Welcome to Kanakdhara Developer Private Limited, the name you can trust. We are India's trusted construction company, delivering excellence with innovation and dedication. From dream homes to luxury villas, our residential projects blend Vastu, design and elegance. Our interiors create modern comfort while reflecting your lifestyle. We design and build commercial spaces that empower businesses to grow. Hospitals and institutions built with care, quality, and precision. Educational campuses that inspire young minds for a brighter future. Every project aligned with Vastu and in harmony with nature.
Experience your project in stunning 3D walkthroughs before it comes to life.
From old to new, our renovation services transform spaces beautifully.
Our expert team works with passion and a modern vision. At Kanakdhara, we don't just build structures, we build happiness.
Kanakdhara Developer Private Limited, your trusted construction partner. Call 7310-2037